crafty friends, welcome to week 1 of the Stack It Collab by Coffee Cake and Crafting. Our hosts are Tiffany Crafting Like a Boss McGill and Brittanee with BBz Kraftz. For the next 4 weeks, we will be sharing our stacked creations. I hope you join in the fun, and I have a list of all the collaborators in the description box down below. And let me show you now what I made for our first challenge. So our first challenge was stacked letters, and the paper collection that I used is Amber Moon by Prima. So let me go ahead and put that to the side and get into what I made. So here is the little stacked letters that I made. So I want to explain to you that the envelope that I have right here, this really cute scalloped envelope, this comes from Cricut, and I'm not sure if this is one of the free ones because I'm signed up for the membership, but the measurement of this one is 3.5 by 3.5, and I thought this was a really cute size. And this little bow that I made actually came from my Halloween bows that I have used in the past, and I basically used a lot of elements from the collection, and the little the little leaves here that I went ahead and inked for you are actually from Cricut as well as this cute little pumpkin. So let's go ahead and get on into this. I'm going to take off the little tie. Oh my gosh. Okay, my nerves. Let me tell you. Okay. Don't worry about it. Okay, so right here, this little rose gold sweater weather I created in Adobe, and I created a PNG for a lot of fall things. So anyway, you just open it up, and I used Velcro, and inside here I've just kind of added a lot of my fall elements in here just so that I could keep a hold of them, and you know, each one of them has a little something in it. I don't think that one does actually, but as you can see, I used a lot of tags from the collection, the acetate elements, the die cuts, and everything. And here are some more of the little pumpkins. And let's see what this one has. Oh, this one has some of the die cut cards. You know, the little ephemera cards like Grateful. And then my last one has, again, more of the die cuts. But I really had a lot of fun creating this, and I think that this will be a really fun decoration for my coffee table. So I hope you all have a wonderful and fabulous day. Again, I'm going to have a list down below of all the collaborators, and I hope that y'all join in the fun. So I will see you all next Sunday right here, same time. Have a wonderful and fabulous day, guys. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe on each channel to be, how would you say, to be in the giveaways. Anyway, guys, have a great one. Bye.